back to Borla Chefs. My name is Colleen, and today we're going to share with you a really special recipe. It's our grandmother's potato recipe. It's super easy, it doesn't take a lot of ingredients, and the key thing I believe is that if you're having potatoes as a side dish, I think this potato recipe is worthy of being your main dish, outshining any meal you're having. So do check it out. As I said, fairly simple. All the ingredients you need are right down in the description. And if you like it, please don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe us. Thank you.
First main ingredient is, of course, sliced potatoes that we've pre-washed, along with one green chili. Of course, that's optional if you don't want to have that. We also have fresh mint. In terms of spices, we've got red chilies, salt, cumin seeds, mango powder, and coriander powder. Completely optional, asafoetida, onions that have been chopped, coarsely chopped up cilantro or parsley, whatever you have, and pomegranate seeds. We will walk you through, certain spices that we think are optional versus necessary. We're going to start with some vegetable oil in a skillet or any sort of pan. If you do have an iron skillet pan, that's recommended. And then once the temperature is hot enough, we're going to add the cumin seeds, the green chilies, and of course the potatoes. We're going to mix it up, as we want all of the cumin seeds to be fully covering the potatoes and everything is evenly spread out. Once we continue to saute it for another couple minutes, we're going to add in the chopped onions. Now, just be very careful when you're flipping and sauteing the onion and potatoes. You don't want to start breaking them. They will start to become tender. So please, do that with caution, and also remember to have a decent size thickness of your slices of your potatoes, so they're just not too fragile. So this is, worth noting, so you actually still keep the shape of your potatoes. Once this process is happening, what we're going to do is we're actually going to cover this with a lid. It helps, really begin and accelerate that cooking process. So once we do that, we will then start to add some spices. And now we're just removing that lid, and you can see they've really changed color and you're getting that golden brown on each of the potatoes. We're just going to flip it one more time after we remove the lid. And now we really can quickly test the potato by just poking it with a fork. I've added pomegranate seeds, salt, red chilies, and the coriander powder, along with the mango powder, as well as the last ingredient in terms of the spices, and then also some asafoetida. And we're just going to mix it up really well, and then add in mint first, and then top it up with our fresh parsley or cilantro, or coriander, whatever you have at home. And there you have it.